Crypto Lightsaber back with another one, guys. Just a quick update on BNB Business because I've had a few questions about this. Okay, guys, so you might have seen my previous video. I put in one BNB in a video about 3 hours ago. Okay, and since then I've actually done a full return on investment. Some of it is referrals and some of it is just basically the BNB which is going into the contract. So let's just refresh this as well, because somebody said something about them making another contribution and it wasn't showing up on their dashboard. So I actually advised them, basically what I do is I actually close the window. If you just refresh it like that, it will just stay exactly the same. Okay, it will refresh the screen, but it will have the same tokenomics. Your dashboard will still look the same when you do that. So what you have to do is just close the window completely. Oh, shout out Rex, guys, 15% a day on this. Link in the description for that, guys. You buy your Rex, stake it, just like Hex, guys. That's definitely a good one. It's earning me some daily passive income as well. I'm getting Rex every day off these auctions and from referrals as well. And you actually get 10% extra by using my referral link in the description. But with BNB Business, okay, guys, I basically close it down, reopen the window, and then when you do that, it should refresh. Okay, guys, so just a minute ago I was on 0.7 BNB, which has dropped into my wallet, and that's just refreshed. Well, when I refreshed it was still saying 0.7. Close it down, reopen the window, and now it's 0.8. I'll show you again before the video ends, because there'll probably be more airdrops. As you can see, I've already collected 1.07 BNB because my actual ROI was 100%. So I had 2 BNB in collections. I put 1 BNB in. I'm not sure where it shows what I put in. In fact, yeah, so it shows it. Okay, it's increased. Okay, so I started with 1 BNB. I'm actually on a 50% ratio. So when I withdraw, 50% of that goes into my wallet. 50% is reinvested into the platform. So when I reinvested it, that upped my contribution to 2 BNB. Okay, guys, and I've got 1 BNB in my wallet, which I can then reinvest into the platform, which I'm going to do as well in a minute, guys, because basically I'm probably just going to keep reinvesting until I get to 10 BNB. But literally within about 3 hours, I'm already, got a full ROI, and I've got more BNB in the contract as well. So we're going to fling another BNB into that as well. We're almost up another full BNB. That will make 4 BNB total from 1 BNB. It's crazy, guys. And obviously the single leg family is growing because I've got lots of people using my referral link, so that's going in. Also, you get BNB just from people interacting with the contract, so you don't actually have to refer to make a passive income on this. It just basically you make a passive income from people interacting with the contract anyway. So anyone that comes in after you, you're gonna get a percentage of what they're putting into the contract. And anyone that withdraws, so that's anyone that got in before you or after you, anyone that withdraws, you're getting a cut on that as well. And it basically forces you to withdraw. It's not one of them contracts which doesn't want you to withdraw, because when you withdraw, it actually reinvests. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put another 1 BNB in, which is my initial investment, and I'm gonna recycle that. I've withdrawn it, and I'm gonna put it straight back in. In fact, I'm gonna put the 1.07. Oh, I can't. I can only put 1 BNB. Okay, I wanted to put all of that back in, but let's just put 1 BNB. I could put 4 or 10 BNB, but I want to grow this organically. I believe that possibly within the next couple of days, I could probably hit my 10 BNB goal. I think I will hit the 4 BNB goal today. And that's just starting from 1 BNB, guys. I could just go in with 4 BNB on my own money, which I've worked hard for. But no, I'm just going to use the platform to do that for me. So passive income, and we're just going to compound it and reinvest and make those gains. All right, guys. So let's just put another 1 BNB into that. And that should bring my contribution up to 3 BNB. And not only that, it will obviously enable me to yield more BNB on top of what I've already earned, and currently sitting at 0.8 BNB as well, which I can only withdraw 50% of that. You can see here Oh, there's a fee for admin as well. Okay, and that my fee has actually gone down. The admin fee's gone down because before it was 0.11%, and now that's gone down to 0.04%. So I think it's incentivizing me for using the platform. Either that or no, right, okay, I'm wrong. It's a 5% admin fee. So based on how much you have in here, that's where the fee will add up. So that will increase as this balance goes up. But currently got 0.76 BNB, almost a full BNB. Obviously it's 0.8 BNB minus the 5% admin fee, and I can withdraw 0.38 BNB back into my wallet and reinvest 0.38 BNB would then add to that. So I'll wait for this to hit another 1 BNB, and then by the time I do that, that will bump me up to 4 BNB, and then instead of getting a 50-50 split, I will get a 60-40 split because I would have hit this tier. Okay, when you get to the 10 BNB tier, it's a 70-30 split. So I'll be able to withdraw is it 70% here and 30% there. Okay guys, so if you're following me on this, this is how it works. Alright guys, link is in the description for this project. I think it's really good. It's literally turning over gains in a very short space of time. So I can't complain guys. I've made a full return on my investment. Yes, I've put it back in, but obviously I'm compounding it because I believe obviously it will make those gains for me a little bit quicker. Okay guys, and this could go on for, you know, I don't know how long, but I do recommend taking profits aggressively on platforms like this because you don't know how long it could be around. Okay, it could just disappear tomorrow. So make sure you are doing your own research. Don't invest more than what you can afford to lose.